you looking for the best vacuum cleaner in 2025? We've rounded up the top 5 best picks, from lightweight cordless models to high-power smart vacuums that make cleaning effortless. Let's get started and see which one fits your home best. At number 5, we have the Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum, priced around $120. It's best for pet owners thanks to its triple action brush roll that removes embedded hair and dirt easily. Lightweight, easy to maneuver, and perfect for both carpets and hard floors. Next, the Eureka RapidClean Pro. A cordless vacuum priced around $150. It's best for quick cleanups and apartments. With up to 40 minutes of runtime and LED headlights to spot hidden dust, this one's compact yet powerful. In third place, the Dyson V8, one of the most popular cordless vacuums, priced around $350. It's known for its strong suction and advanced filtration system that captures 99.99% of dust and allergens. Ideal for those who want Dyson quality without the premium V15 price tag. Coming in second, the Shark Stratos DuoClean PowerFins, priced around $400. It's best for deep cleaning carpets and large homes. With odor neutralizing technology and a flexible wand for under furniture cleaning, this one delivers both power and convenience. And finally, our top pick, the Dyson Gen5detect. Priced around $950, it's best for those who want smart technology and ultimate cleaning performance. It features a laser to reveal hidden dust, powerful suction, and an LCD screen that shows real-time particle count. Premium, futuristic, and truly the best vacuum cleaner of 2025. So that's our list of the top 5 best vacuum cleaners 2025. Which one would you choose for your home? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more top 5 product reviews. See you in the next video.